Now we are heading towards the last speech of today's conference. Our last participant is Syeda Hurain Arsalan from St. Joseph Convent School, Karachi. She is in class 2 and the youngest participant of the conference.
President of Hamdard Foundation, Pakistan, guest teachers and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hurain Arsalan and I am from Pakistan. Today I feel proud to stand here and speak on topic Together for Health Stand with Science, given by the World Health Organization on the occasion of World Health Day. Let me start with a simple question. What does it mean to be healthy? Is it just not being sick, or is it about feeling strong, thinking clearly, and living happily? Health is not only about medicines or hospitals. It is about our daily habits, our environment, and the choices we make every day. Today, the world is facing many challenges. In countries like Pakistan, people are dealing with rising prices, load shedding, school closures, and stress in daily life. These problems do not only affect our bodies, but also our minds. So, what is the solution? The answer is in our theme. Together for Health, stand with science. Standing with science means trusting facts, listening to doctors, and making good decisions. Science helps us understand how our body works, why we need vaccines, why clean environment is important, and why exercise keeps us strong. But being healthy is not difficult. In fact, it is very simple. We can start with small steps. Eat healthy and fresh food, drink clean water, exercise or play every day, and limit screen time. Together for Health also means helping others. We can encourage our friends to eat healthy. We can remind our family members to take care of their health. We can spread awareness and stop wrong information. As students, we may think we are too young to make a difference, but that is not true. We are the future, and the habits we build today will shape the world of tomorrow. So today, let us make a promise. We will take care of our health. We will trust science and follow facts. We will live simply and wisely. And we will stand together for a better future, because when we stand with science and support each other, we don't just stay healthy, we build a healthier world. Thank you.
That was truly insightful. Thank you, Hurain, for sharing your thoughts with us.